You can use math object to calculate number raised to the power by using its math.pow method for that. Let's say if I want to calculate 11 raised to the power 2, then I can use math.pow for that. For that, I'm going to say math.pow, which takes two parameters. The first one is the base, which is 11, and the second one is 2, and it will calculate 11 multiplied by 11 twice, which should be 121. Let's see if that prints on our page or not. If I click on submit, that's going to get printed on my page here. If I change the power here, 11 to the power of 3, then that's going to be 11 into 11 into 11. And I think it should be 1331. Let's click on submit, and that's going to get printed on my page here. You can also calculate square root of a number by using its square root method. Let's try to do that. I'm going to copy this line and paste it here. And here I'm going to use square root and pass 121. So this should return 11 because square root of 121 is 11. If I refresh this page, click on submit, that's going to give me 11. You can use math.pi to get the constant. Let's say if I want to get the constant pi, then I can use math.pi constant here and then print it on the page here. That gets printed on the page. And I can use math.power to calculate area of a circle by using math.pi. Let's try to do that. If I want to calculate area of a circle where the radius is 11, then I can use math.pow and then pass 11 as base, 2 as power, which will calculate 11 into 11 multiplied by 3.14. If I refresh this page, click on submit, that's gonna print area of a circle where the radius is 11. You can also use math's minimum and maximum functions to find out what value is minimum and maximum. For that, I'm gonna create another variable called as result and use math minimum function for that. And it takes number of values here. I can pass multiple numbers here. I'm gonna pass 1, 22, 56, 7, 8, sorry. And then if I want to find out which one is the minimum value here, then I can use math minimum for that. If I refresh the page, click on submit, that's going to print 1 because that's the minimum value in all these numbers. If I remove 1 from here, the next minimum value is 8. So it should print that on the page here. You can use math.max to find the maximum value between the numbers that you're passing here. So if I change this to max and then click on submit, that's going to print 56 because that's the maximum value in that number. If I pass 99 here and then click on submit, that's going to print 99 here. So this is how you can use math.pow, square root, math.pi, minimum, maximum. In the next section, I'm going to talk about the difference between let, const, and var.